So I know I've shared a complete cleaning of my kids' humidifier before. I just feel so strongly about humidifiers need to be cleaned because otherwise they just get all this fungus and gunky stuff in them and bacteria. So a quick way is, if you don't want to spend, every couple of weeks, a long time scrubbing them, about once a week, once every 2 weeks, I just open it up. I spray vinegar. This is just regular white vinegar. I keep in a spray bottle. Spray it everywhere thoroughly. I actually lift this up and spray it underneath as well. Inside this, on the lid, both sides. And there's one more. Turn this sideways and spray all over here too. All these little nooks and crannies. And then just let them be while you are cooking, doing whatever at home. Just let it sit, and then you just rinse it out, and it cleans all the yucky stuff. And vinegar is good antibacterial, antifungal, so that helps. Then it saves you from scrubbing too hard every few weeks.